Hello class, it's me, Miss Bass. I've made this video so you can work with your parents at home and review on the strategies that we've been learning. So the first strategy we learned last week was the addition strategy to add on tens and then add on ones. And if you remember, we had some steps that we drew out. So number one tells us to draw our number line. So let's get our pen and we're going to draw a number line right here. Now, step 2 says to plot our first number. The first number is 45, so we're going to put it right here. Number 3, we add on our tens. Before we do that though, let's take our number 32 that we're adding on, and let's break it down into tens and ones. So that would be 30 plus 2, right? So we're on step 3, adding on our tens. So if we jump, we're adding on tens. We have 30 of them, plus 30. And then that makes us have 75. So we can mark that out because we're done with that one anyways. And then now we're going to add on our ones because that's step number 4. And we have 2 ones. 75 plus 2 is 77. Step 5 says that we should circle our final answer. That way Ms. Bays knows where to look on your paper. Now, if we think about it, we can rewrite our problem, which is 45 plus 32. We can set that equal to, because it's the same thing as 45 plus 30 plus 2, because that's exactly what we did. We just broke apart that second number down into its tens and its ones. In class, I really like to use the number line for this strategy, but I also thought it would be helpful to show you how we can use this strategy using these base 10 blocks. So first, let's pull out 45 because that is our first number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then 45, how many ones is in that? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we can see here that we have 45 blocks. Now we're going to add to it. And do you remember what we're adding and how we're going to do that? Right, we're going to decompose our 32. We're going to break it down into 30 plus 2. Now, remember, step 2 was to add on our tens. So if we're adding on our tens, we're going to put 3 of them because we have 30. So 1, 2, 3. Now, after we have this, we're ready to add on our ones. And how many ones did we have? 2. And then we can put our equal sign. And now we can add all these blocks together to see how many we have. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens. Put those all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So if we count these, we know that 45 plus 32 is equal to 77. Before I wrap up this review lesson, I want to show you Smart Minds, a more advanced problem to show you that you can use this strategy for more than one set of numbers. So our numbers are 26 and 45. So we have 26 plus 45. Now, we draw our number line and we plot the 26. Now remember, this is equal to 40 plus 5. So let's add our tens plus 40, and that would give us 66. And then we're going to add 5 more, and that's going to give us 71. So as you can see, there's more than one type of problem that we can use this strategy with. And there's easier ways to add numbers together than to just write them in the standard algorithm. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I can't wait to see how bright you are next class.